Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Speaker, sir, I rise to support the motion brought to the House by the Honorable Minister of Finance. We all know, sir, the Development Bank was set up to assist in development. Large scale, now smaller scale, and in some instances, personal scale. I'm a former customer of the Reserve Bank, of the Development Bank, and they're very, very alert to our payments, and they come out to inspect the little things we said to them we would be doing with the money they lent us. Speaker, the Fiji Development Bank has long served a very strategic partnership with the people of Fiji in national development architecture. As a development finance institution, the bank plays a critical role in bridging the gap between commercial finance and the needs of sectors and communities that require targeted support to grow and prosper. I had a bit of a problem during my tenure as a client of the bank. I planted many acres of ndalo, and just before harvest, we were struck by El Nino, and many thousands of ndalo went to waste. Fortunately for me, a former and a very prominent farmer too, and a high chief and president at the time, Rabuka Mrs. Mara, told me, "Teatali." So I tried again after the cycle, and was able to keep up with my repayment to the bank. The bank's mandate extends beyond conventional banking. I've tried that too. It is fundamentally about empowering communities and individuals, enabling entrepreneurship, and catalyzing sustainable economic transformation, particularly in sectors where access to credit remains constrained. Through its development-oriented financing and advisory services, the bank continues to support farmers, small business owners, cooperatives and rural entrepreneurs, and emerging industries, helping to transform ideas into viable economic opportunities and improving livelihoods across our provinces. This work is intricately woven within the bank's 2024 to 2028 strategic plan. Its core theme, to remain sustainable in serving our customers while adapting to changes in our environment. It is a key reflection of its commitment to resilience and its proactive approach to supporting Fiji's evolving economic landscape. More importantly, Mr. Speaker, sir, the bank's strategic direction aligns closely with the priorities of the Fiji National Development Plan and Vision 2050, particularly in advancing inclusive growth, strengthening rural development, and expanding opportunities for micro, small, and medium enterprises. By focusing its investment in productive sectors such as agriculture, MSMEs, and emerging value chains, the bank plays a vital role in supporting diversification of the economy while strengthening resilience within communities. Mr. Speaker, sir, in order to diversify its revenue base, the bank has formulated necessary action plans to ensure that it maximizes both traditional and non-traditional revenue sources. This reinforces its stance on fiscal responsibility and innovation, demonstrating that the bank is not solely dependent on government support and backing, but it is actively seeking to enhance its own financial self-sufficiency. Mr. Speaker, sir, in its 2024 annual report, the number of active accounts served by the bank grew by 3.66%, bringing the total to over 9,700 accounts. You heard most of this data from the Minister of Finance, but it shows that the bank is very active and keeps growing. And the number of its clients keep increasing. The figures demonstrate the bank's commitment to financial inclusion and economic empowerment. By expanding access to capital for women, youth and rural entrepreneurs, the bank is strengthening participation in the national economy and fostering a more inclusive development pathway. Mr. Speaker, it is equally important to note that the bank continues to pursue strategic and strategies that strengthen its own financial sustainability. Also, the government guarantee that we are now talking about, Mr. Speaker, sir, will play an important part, very important part, an enabling role in supporting the bank's mandate. In short, Mr. Speaker, sir, we need to support the bank, support the people. The Fiji Development Bank remains a vital catalyst for growth, a trusted partner for entrepreneurship and entrepreneurs, and a key contributor to our broader development agenda. I also take this opportunity to acknowledge the board of directors, senior management, and staff for the work that they have done so far and wish them well in the future. Now, William.